We all at some point wanted a deep voice, but never knew how to get one. You might even ask someone you know that has a deep voice and said, "How did your voice get so deep?" We've all been there. Here's how to get your voice sounding like a 7-foot NBA player. To start off, you want to practice breathing exercises. Deep breathing exercises can help you expand your lung capacity and support your voice. Try taking deep breaths and holding them for a few seconds before exhaling slowly. You need to understand that many people believe that your voice is something that you're born with and that you can't change it. However, that's not entirely true. While genetics do play a role in determining the pitch and tone of your voice, there are things you can do to deepen your voice naturally. By practicing these exercises I'm showing you and making some lifestyle changes, you can train your vocal cords to produce a much deeper sound. Now, the second thing to do is hum. Humming is a great way to warm up your vocal cords and produce a deeper sound. Start by humming a low note and gradually increase the pitch until you reach your natural speaking voice. Third one we have is to speak from your chest. When you speak, try to speak from your chest instead of your throat. This will help you produce a deeper sound and avoid straining your vocal cords. Number 4 is drinking water and staying hydrated. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining healthy vocal cords. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your vocal cords lubricated and prevent dryness. Number 5 is to practice speaking slowly. Speaking slowly can help you control your voice and avoid straining your vocal cords. Try to speak at a slower pace and focus on producing a deeper sound. Coming in at number 6 is to use your diaphragm. Your diaphragm is a muscle that helps you control your breathing. Learning how to use your diaphragm can help you produce a deeper, richer sound. To practice, lie on your back and place your hand on your stomach. Breathe in deeply and feel your stomach rise. Then exhale slowly and feel your stomach fall. Practice this exercise until you can control your breath and produce a deep sound. Now, while these exercises can help deepen your voice naturally, it is important to remember that everyone's voice is different. If you have a medical condition that affects your vocal cords, or if you experience any pain or discomfort when speaking, seek professional help. Now that you know how to deepen your voice, you need to know how to boost your confidence. You don't want a deep voice and be scared to use it. That's kind of backwards. So if you're interested in learning how to do that, go to that video that I made on my channel, and also leave a like if you enjoyed this one.